Finest quality cellulose sponge, works great to gently cleanse contours of face and neck. Our brand of compressed facial sponges are made from 100% natural cellulose fiber, the most eco-friendly choice available. Comes in a convenient compressed form for easy storage. Once wet, these sponges are soft and absorbent. Each sponge expands to 3 x 3/8 thick, 50 per box. 100% natural, Appearus Compressed Cellulose Facial Sponges are completely natural and biodegradable. Appearus Cellulose Sponges don't have chemical odors like other inferior cellulose sponges. Premium quality, Appearus Compressed Face Sponges are professional-grade sponges for daily facial cleansing. They work perfectly for removing dirt, makeup, facial mask, and deep cleansing pores. Durable/reusable, Appearus facial sponges are reusable for personal use. Rinse and wring out after each use and store in a cool, dry place. Sponges are single-use when used in commercial applications. Water-activated, Appearus compressed sponge are conveniently compressed for easy storage. Each sponge expands to 3 and 3/8 thick when is added. The perfect size for cleaning your skin fast and efficiently. Made in USA, Appearus Cellulose Sponge is manufactured in the US by a reputable US-based company. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.